Today's lesson is on 14.1, graph points on the coordinate plane. The I can statement is, I can locate points on the coordinate grid. Essential question, how do you name a point on a coordinate grid? Success criteria, understand that the origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect. Identify the first number listed in the x coordinate and the second number listed as the y coordinate. Examine the coordinate grid to identify the ordered pairs. Coordinate grid used to locate points on a plane using an ordered pair of numbers. X-axis is the horizontal line passing through the origin that includes both positive and negative numbers. Y-axis is the vertical line passing through the origin that includes both positive and negative numbers is called the y-axis. Origin is the point where the two axes of a coordinate grid intersect. It is represented by the ordered pair. This is an example of what an ordered pair looks like. The x-coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair. So if I have 3 and 2, you know that this goes onto the x-coordinate. The y-coordinate is the second number in the ordered pair. So you know that this 2 would go to the y-coordinate. Okay, so this is lesson 14.1. Go ahead and open your book to the Solve and Share and read the problem with me. Here we go. On the first grid, plot a point where two lines intersect. Name the location of the point. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to plot a point where two lines intersect. If I'm looking at these two graphs, there's only two lines. So the point where the lines intersect is 0, 0. Plot and name another point. So if I just wanted to plot any point, let's say I want to go here. That means it's 7 because the x-axis goes first, so 7, 6. Because you go over first, whatever the number is, and then you go up second. So this is the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. Take turns describing the location of your points on the first grid, then plot the points your partner describes in your second grid. Compare your first grid with your partner's second grid to see if they match. You can do this at home if you want to get with a partner, your parent, a sibling, anything like that, and you can take turns practicing your coordinate grid. Okay, I'm moving straight to your exit ticket. If you would like more practice on this, you can go back and do another look or the guided practice, but we're going to go to the independent practice for your exit ticket, which you can find on page 779, and I want you guys to do 8 through 18. So I'm going to go ahead and do one from each section with you. Here we go. In 8 through 13, write the ordered pair for each point. Use the grid. So I'm going to go with 8, and it wants us to tell where T is on the coordinate grid. So first find T. Did you have to go over any? No. So you know that it's 0, and then you have to count how many you went up, and it looks like it's 5. So you're just going to go ahead and write 0, 5. Okay. Then it says name the point for each ordered pair. So I'm going to go with 14. And it says go over 2, up 2. So I'm going to go over 2, up 2, and that letter is L.